Yeah, what it is, frequent Flyerz, man. Sean Travis got done killing this, so set the bar a little hot for me. Help me see how I perform, man. Norm, what he do, man?
What?
Let him see you, man.
Yo, what's up?
Let him see you, bro.
Oh, let him see.
Yeah, let him see you, bro.
Oh, man.
It's my boy Norm, man. Storm and Norman. Fresh.
Good
He
job.
took my title. Going in on him now. Hey, yo, Sean.
Yo.
Come here, man.
What up, what up?
There you go.
I don't. I'm looking so shabby right now.
Hey, we in the booth, man.
Looking so shabby.
It's okay like this?
Yeah, that's fine. That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's
That's fine. That's cool.
You ready to kill this, Stackz?
Yeah, I was telling him, man, you set the bar hot in here, man. It's kind of hot in here, and I gotta try to go
You got it. Do your thizzle, man.
frequent.
You ready?
Do you want me to angle that a different way?
I mean, you could if you think it'd be better.
Maybe go like.
He's the professional, not me.
Or maybe bring it over this way. So.
Yeah, like a photo shoot or something.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better.
cool.
Yeah.
What you think? It's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. I thought it was that Rockstar place at the restaurant.
Yeah, because I told you we used to do rock and stuff too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the foot clinic though, that's how you remember it.
Oh, okay.
It got me the first time too.
Yeah, that's like foot clinic.
That's why I was gonna come out there. I'm like, no one gonna suspect a foot clinic. You know what I mean? We only been here about 3 times, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Let them see you again, though. Let them know that.
It should like he put you on, man.
Throw that
Like,
frequent up that left. We gonna be rich, man, forever.
man.
Gotta get the new wife. You had to out fresh me, man.
I just came with the
Not
leather.
even cool. I should make you leave now. Still in our fame, man.
I came with the regular dress clothes. I came with a shirt and tie
Nah, you
on.
fresh, man. You doing it, man. I already know how you get down. You frequent. When you frequent, that's how you do it.
Shoot. I bust out another leather. I'm gonna give me another leather coat later on.
Well, I got dreams of getting rich in multi-figures with my campaign. Man, I'm tired, bro. Sipping on that drink over there, man.
You want me to stop this or just keep taking?
No, you keep going, man. I want to record our history, our greatness. If I mess up on the verse, keep it going.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. I just want to get my fans,
See how it
and our
is.
viewers to see how it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're not perfect.
Right. Just how.
We may be close to perfect because we're frequent Flyerz, but we're not perfect. Yeah, though, don't stop it.
See, I'm trying to do success in this, go be successful.
Man. It's just a little page of our history, man. Not to mention, throw your C's up, Chicago.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Right.
It's your boy Eric Stackz. Got my boy Sean Travis. Got my boy Norman Storm. How you doing, man? Making it rain, so I call him Storm. Norman Storm.
Said make it rain. I remember you said come dressed up. I thought I know you'll be G'd, how you be G'd up at work and stuff.
Yeah,
I thought you would come like that, and then I don't know. I'm not used to Sarndale stuff.
You're good. You made me envy. I'm the swag champion.
Swag.
Hey, Sean, I got a bottle of champagne right now. Pop a couple stacks. Well, I got dreams of getting rich in multi-figures with my campaign. Hey, I forgot Sean is really tall. So I gotta let this down. Yeah. I had to stand on my tippy toes. I forgot.
Okay, that's better.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sarndale,
5'8",
another
6'9".
Chris Webber. Webber, 6'10".
Hey, Sean, man. I got a couple stacks in my head, man. About to blow a band. You feel me? Well, I got dreams of getting rich in multi-figures with my campaign. Had the round table stacking hundreds, drinking champagne. I won't stop, period. My life's a run, no sentence. I'm the leader of this new school. Plus, I keep perfect attendance. Label king off in this city. Ruler of the throne, only one that did it better was the late Al Capone. And these players ball hard. We don't need no stadium. Dispensing dollars at the dollars. I'm a walking ATM. Workaholic in this bitch. Lazy guys, what are you on? Corporation grind, no ties, no suits on. All about the green like a crouton. If let go. Yo, shot. I got a bottle of champagne, man. I'm about to pop it. Let's go. Well, I got dreams of getting rich of multi-figures with my campaign. At the round table stacking hundreds, drinking champagne. I won't stop, period. My life's a run, no sentence. I'm the leader of this new school. Plus, I keep perfect attendance. Label king off in the city. Ruler of the throne, only one that did it better was the late Al Capone. And these players ball hard. We don't need no stadium. Dispensing dollars at the dollars. I'm a walking ATM. Workaholic in this bitch. Lazy guys, what are you on? Corporation grind, no ties, no suits on. All about the green like a crouton. If you ain't talking money when we meet, go put a new song. Classical new songs and nothing less than Morris Nia Diz. Working hard to be that best man. You can't worship that dollar, but I find that sin ironic, cause on back of that bill with insinuation God we trust. My life's a movie. Y'all's actors like Sean Connery. It's lonely at the top. Sean T gon' keep me company. We gone. What you think?
Oh, that's pretty good, man.
Yeah. Let me hit. Hey, is this possible I can do that? Y'all actors like Sean Connery over? Okay. Hey, let them see you again.
Deuces.
FreeQuent.
The FreeQuent Flyer. Man. I don't know. I got a couple of clubs. Mr. Brown's Lounge on Chicago Avenue.
Oh, you know we're gonna hit it hard after you finish putting the magic on.
Proof. That's on Rush Street, 1045. They might cost money. They got dress code and shit.
Ray-Ban Stackz. Ray-Ban Stackz.
Oh. Oh, he's setting up the beats for you?
Yeah. Alright, bro.
I'm gonna pause it right here. Stop, pause it, and
You stop?
No. Just keep it going.
The whole thing.
Oh, okay, until the battery go down.
Yeah, until the battery die. Well, at least until we leave and go to the club.
Okay. Okay.
But you know what I mean, metaphorically speaking.
Yeah, right. Okay.
No, I don't know. Edits, cuts. This is raw. This is no.
No one. No unfootage cover and like
footage, man.
Oh, you want everything.
I was just really because I be looking around for footage. I be wanting to see how people do it, but they don't be having no footage. So.
Oh, like for freestyle? Well, they doing it. They doing it on what's that show? 106 Park now.
It's on YouTube and stuff. I just want to see how people record.
Oh, okay.
But you know what I mean. So I don't care if I mess up a billion times. We're gonna go to the battery stop. Well, you gonna get his spit verse, no?
Oh man, I ain't ready to rap. I ain't ready to get the lyrics going right now.
Just like the we go. Just like a multi-figures with my kid. King Coffee in this city. Only better. What's the thing? We don't need no stadium. Dollars at the dollars. Lazy guys, what are corporation? No ties, no suit. All about the all or nothing. Like a crouton. Talking money with classical news and nothing left. I'm back at that bill. Listen. Yeah. Okay. So. Alright, so I want to double it. Let me double it. Well, I got dreams of getting richer, multi-figures with my campaign. At the round table, stacking dollars. Yeah, go back a little bit. Yeah.
You gotta do a verse back over.
Well, I got dreams of getting richer, multi-figures with my campaign. At the round table counting. Start it. Yeah, rerun that. Keep messing up. Well, I got dreams of getting richer, multi-figures with my campaign. At the round table, stacking hundreds, drinking champagne. I won't stop, period. My life's a run, no sentence. I'm the leader of this new school. Plus, I keep perfect attendance. Label king off in the city. Ruler of the throne, only one that did it better was the late Al Capone. And these players ball hard. We don't need no stadium. Dispensing dollars at the dollars. I'm a walking ATM. Workaholic in this bitch. Lazy guys, what are you on? Corporation grind, no ties, no suits on. All about the green like a crouton. If you ain't talking money when we meet, go put a new song. Classical new songs, and nothing less than Morris Nia Diz. Working hard to be that best man. Can't worship that dollar, but I find that's an ironic, cause on back of that bill, with insinuation God we trust. But life's a movie, y'all actors like Sean Connery is lonely at the top. Sean T gon' keep me company. We gone. Ends it out. Yeah. Gotta do the ins and out. see you again. Alright. Sweating in here, Miss Hot.
Who came in the background? I hear
my campaign. Drinking champagne. My life's a run-on sentence. Plus I keep perfect attendance. Ruler of the throne. Al Capone. We don't need no stadium. I'm a walking ATM. Lazy guys, what are you on? No ties, no suits on. Green like a crouton. Go put a new song. Classical new songs. Less than. Working hard to be that best man. Dollar cuz. That a little bit for that dollar cuz. All that. Dollar cuz. I'm gonna get a little bit fun. I can't worship that dollar, but I find that sin ironic, cuz hidden insinuation God we trust. Y'all actors like Sean Connery. Sean T gon' keep me company. Yep. Hey, can you go all the way back to the beginning? I want to record something over that too. We the best man. We the best man. Sean, Travis, Eric, Stackz. We the best man. Alright. We the best. No. Yeah. We the best man. We the best man. Sean, Travis, Eric, Stackz. We the best man. You think I should? Alright. We the best man. We the best man. Sean, Travis, Eric, Stackz. We the best man. Alright.
Alright. I ain't going back up to my old life. Popping bottles every show night. Married to the money.